You get hurt in a car crash, and the first call everyone tells you to make is a lawyer. Nobody mentions that your brain just went through a trauma blender too. Here's the part insurance commercials skip. Compensation fixes your bumper, but it does not fix the part of you that flinches every time someone brakes hard now. Lawyers actually know this, which is why a lot of good accident injury firms keep a list of therapists on speed dial. It is not charity, it is strategy. Because judges and insurance adjusters take you more seriously when your medical file shows you treated the whole injury, not just the broken arm. Think about it like a video game character. If you only heal your health bar and ignore your mana bar, you are still walking into the boss fight half ready. Victim compensation funds exist in basically every state, and most people have no idea they are sitting there unused like a gift card from your aunt. These funds can cover therapy sessions, lost wages, and sometimes funeral costs, and you do not even need to sue anyone to access them. The catch is paperwork, because of course it is paperwork. Deadlines are usually tight, sometimes as short as 1 year, so waiting around because you feel awkward asking for help can literally cost you the money. Now, let us talk about the lawyers themselves for a second. Most personal injury attorneys work on contingency, meaning they get paid a slice only if you win, which sounds generous until you realize that slice is often 33%. That percentage is not random. It is basically the industry's version of a Netflix subscription fee, except instead of cartoons, you get someone arguing with insurance companies on your behalf. Still, always ask up front what the percentage is and whether it changes if the case goes to trial. Here's a misunderstanding people fall into constantly. They think a lawyer is only useful after a settlement offer, but the smartest move is calling one before you ever sign anything an insurance company hands you. Insurance adjusters are trained to sound like your best friend while quietly building a file to pay you less. It is like a customer service rep who is secretly also a debt collector wearing a name tag that says "Trust me." On the counseling side, organizations like the National Alliance for Eating Disorders or local crisis centers are not just for one specific issue. Many community health centers offer sliding scale therapy based on income. Some hospitals even have trauma-informed care coordinators whose entire job is connecting accident victims to mental health resources nobody told them existed. There's also something called victim advocates, which sound like a comic book team but are actually real people, often working through district attorney offices, who help you navigate both the emotional and legal maze for free. They show up to court dates with you, they explain confusing terms, and they basically function as a translator between legal jargon and human feelings. The data backs up why this combo of legal and emotional support matters. Studies on accident survivors consistently show that people who get both financial recovery and mental health support return to normal routines faster than people who only get one or the other. So if you are sitting there nursing a settlement check and a racing heart every time you hear tires screech, know that healing was never supposed to be a solo sport. Reaching out for both kinds of help is not weakness, it is just smart strategy dressed up as self-care. If you want to learn more about how we help people navigate situations exactly like this, check out our links in the description.